Hi students, welcome to Standard 7 Science online class. I hope all are safe and fine at home by the grace of God. Children, today we are going to start the new unit 3, changes around us. Okay, so this unit under chemistry, already you know children, yes. I think last term also we are going to discuss the same unit children, yes. So this term we are going to some modifications, okay, some modifications there in the lesson. So you know children, two types of changes. What are the two types of changes? Physical and chemical changes, okay, of matter. You know children, matter occupies in all states of space, okay, all states of matter. So see the first picture children, physical changes of matter. Okay, butter melts in, so butter will be melts because you give some amount of temperature, it will be melting. And see the next picture children, ice cubes. So ice cubes having a solid state, so you give some amount of room temperature, okay, don't give the temperature, but you giving a room amount of temperature, it will be melting, okay. See the chemical changes of matter. See the nail children, how many of you see the nail? Yes. So you give some amount of for example, you take a long period of time, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month later, you see the rusting of nail, okay. This is the best example of chemical changes. See the duff children, yeah, you know, chapati or baking bread. So these are all the some amount of chemical changes. It will be taking a long period of time, more than 10 days or 20 days. You see the baking bread, it will be getting a some amount of chemical changes there. This is clear to you children? Fine. So in this lesson we are going to learn the solid, liquid and gas effects of heat children, and differentiate between the physical and chemical changes on the basis of particle theory. Then it will be involving the experiments children. Also we are going to learn this lesson, crystallization, copper sulfate and melting of ice, freezing water, sublimation, okay, and camphor we are going to do, and to identify the process of physical or chemical changes based on that characteristics, okay. And the next one, to clarify the process of rusting, okay, burning of paper, curdling of milk, reaction of baking soda with lemon juice. Children, this is a very big unit children. And next one, to distinction between periodic and non-periodic changes, okay. And the last final one, to experience the endothermic and exothermic changes to simple activities. This is clear to you children? Yes. Now let's see here. Yes. So you know children, what is changes children? Yeah, changes takes place in all states, okay. Okay children, fine. You know changes takes place around us all the time, you see. Yes, many changes there children. For example, you see the clock, yeah, it will be changing every minute or every seconds, yes or no? Yeah, changes takes place around us all the time. It will be changing. For example, morning, afternoon, evening and night, it will be changes, yes or no? Yes. So a changes refers to an alteration in physical properties or alteration in the composition of matter also. So you take a simple example children, ice melts on heating. You know children, yeah, it will be changing from a solids to liquid state. So again you give some amount of further heating children, water evaporates, okay, water starts to evaporation, and it will be changes from what, liquid to gaseous state. This is clear to you children? Yeah. And one more example children, you see, take a nail, okay, iron rod or exposed to moist condition, okay, and the reddish brown new substance called the rust forms on the surface of this objects. So this is called it as what, there is a change in the composition of the substance. This is one of the chemical changes. This is clear to you children, and you will be getting a new substance. The changes involves the alteration the properties of color, texture and the state of substance. Then they are formed, the formation of new substance they are also formed, okay. Now let us go for the heat, cup of water and a paper. You see children, water upon heating become just hotter and hot on the some point, okay. For example, you take a water molecule, okay children, again it will be giving some amount of temperature. What will happen children? Yeah, water becomes water vapor. Okay, it remains water to all the times. Okay, fine. So you give this is called it as what change, children? Physical change. You already know. So whereas in the case of burning of paper or changes to carbon dioxide and other substance also. Okay, now we can't get back the paper after burning because this is a chemical change. Okay, this is clear to you, children. Physical change means you'll be getting our final results, but a chemical change means you don't get the final results. Okay, when you mix sugar in water, what will happen, children? It is a chemical change or physical change, children? Yes. So first see this picture, look at the following list, identify the physical or chemical changes. I'll give you the list, children. Yeah, tell me also, you also tell me. Rusting of iron, this is a physical or chemical change, children? Chemical change. And digestion of food, this is also what? Yeah, chemical change. And boiling of egg, what will happen? This is also chemical change. It will be changing our nature. Rusting of banana, this is what? This is also chemical change. And mixing sand and water, okay, and chopping wood, these are all the best example of physical change. And crushing a can, okay, this is also physical quantities, physical changes. Mixture of different colored buttons, so this is also what? Physical changes. And burning of wood, what? It is a chemical change. This is clear to you, children? Yeah. Now you see the picture, children. It's very nice picture. See the first one, it's a chemical change. And see the different changes, children. Physical change and chemical change there. Yeah, this is the button and this is the wood. Okay, so they're giving the rusting of colors. Okay, different pictures, dear children. So I'll tell you, this is the answer. Okay, physical changes or chemical changes. This is clear to you, children? Yeah. Next, move for the next one. Okay, children, see this tabulation, physical and chemical changes. Now I'll telling the answers. No, children, you write here, children. So in our classes 6th, we already read the matter, children. Okay, solid, liquid and gases based on the physical state. Now, you know, the matter is made up of tiny particles, children, already you know, atoms and molecules. Here the particles are in constant and random movements, children. That's very important. So you give some amount of temperature on water, what will happen? You see the particles and molecules, they are moving in random movements. Yeah, that is the best example, children, water molecules. And when we arrange arrangements of a particles substance for any reason, applying some pressure, altering some temperature and different reasons, children, yeah, it will be changing the physical state also. This is clear to you, children? Yeah. So now let's move for the effects of temperature on heat, on solid, liquid and gases. So you give some amount of temperature on heating, children, what will happen? The particle arrangement within the states of matter gets disturbed. That's a very important thing. Okay. So disturbance is seen either the expansion or contraction. So it will be giving some amount of heated or cooled down. The objects may expand or contract, but the mass will be okay, but the mass remains the same. There is no changes on the mass, children. Here you see some amount of when the glass of water is heated, okay, so you see the volume increases and the glass of water also cooled, the volume also decreases. See this nice picture, children? Solid. Yeah, see this nice picture? Solid. Okay, here in which the particles are very close together. See the solid substance, children? Yeah. So the particles are arranged in the fixed regular pattern. Here the particles can vibrate about their fixed position. See the next picture, liquid state. See the particles, children. See the container, children. That is a particle, children. See the bubble. Yeah, blue color bubbles there. Yeah, that is the particles. In which particles are close together. Okay. Here the particles are not arranged in the fixed regular pattern. So here the particles are able to slide past on one another. And then last one is gas. So see this picture, children. It's very nice picture, you know. Yeah, the particles are far apart from each other. Here the particles are not arranged in the fixed regular pattern. Here the particles move freely over a long distance. So this is the best picture for you are using the solid, liquid and gaseous state. This is clear to you children? Yeah, fine. Okay children, you see this picture? Yeah. Effect of heat again and heat losses. Okay. And you take many results: melting, boiling and freezing and condensation method also children. And here they may result in expansion or contraction. That's very important. And it will be brings about a changes in state. It will be changing. Okay. It will be changes the state, solids to liquid state or liquids to gaseous state. And here during which volume also changes, mass is conserved. Okay, mass will be conserved. So there is any other possibilities children? They occur upon a heating in the solid, liquid and gases. Yeah, the possible changes due to melting, boiling and freezing, then condensation during this period of the changes of physical state only. Okay, and now let us discuss here children some amount of physical and underlying other reasons they are why they are simply physical changes and why they are simply chemical changes now. Okay, fine. And see the physical changes children. Yeah, see the bulb children. Yeah, that is the tungsten filaments there. Yeah, physical changes or changes in which only physical properties of a substance to undergo children. Here there is no changes in the chemical composition, only the physical state. There is no new substance formed here children. It will be giving a new substance that is taken upon the chemical change. There is no new substance they are formed, that is called it as what? Physical change. Okay, it includes luxurious and very malleability, that means flexibility, that is called the malleability. Okay, and ductility, that means called ability to be drawn into thin wire. You see the diagram children. Yeah, tungsten filaments there. Okay, and you see the density and viscosity. Viscosity means you taking some amount of pressure there, and solubility, mass, volume, everything will be there, so on. Okay, and changes the physical properties refers to as physical changes only. So you take a example children. Rubber band is stretched, is elongates. What will happen children? So when the stretches is stopped, the rubber band comes back into your original state and shape also. So this is the best example of but there is no new substance they are formed in the physical state children. And but the rubber band is remain the same before and after elongation. Okay, this is the best example of physical change. This is clear to you children? Yes. Okay, fine. Children, so today's class is over children. Okay, I'll give you some question answers children. So write your index page, write today's date. Okay, write neatly whatever questions I'll give it. So write neatly in your classwork note children. Complete your assignment. Report in the group without fail. Thank you children. God bless you.